In today's episode, I'm headed back south to meet up with my buddy Matt and try to double up on some birds like we did last year. I came into this hunt hopeful I could finally hear some gobbles after dealing with a bunch of tight-lipped birds this season. Instead, we ended up wading through a swamp chasing silent birds. Matt wrecked his truck, and somehow that wasn't even the craziest part of this hunt. Let's jump on in. We'll probably be there at the same time, so you're gonna have to stop and go to the bathroom after you get there, eat them greasy burgers.
Yeah. I already feel it and I'm eating it.
Well, guys, we made it. There's old son right there.
Are you ready, son?
Oh, I've been ready.
I just had to take the biggest when I got here.
I might be right behind you.
I about didn't make it.
Well, me and Blood are out here. See if we can roost us a bird.
Yes, sir.
He said, get your waders on. We going to the swamp.
Yeah.
When a Florida man tells you to get your chest waders for a turkey hunt, you kind of get a little nervous. But hey, you with a guy from Florida, you safe in the swamps.
Yeah, we got a gun, so we good. Yeah, we just hope they still on that side. Of course, they want to be on the other side of the creek. Which luckily, our property line goes across the creek that we've never been on. Been up here 28 years, never been on that side of the creek, so we about to hunt some pristine Jurassic Park land. I mean, we about to go find out some kind of new species.
Go roost some birds, baby.
Stressing crossing this creek. Let's get it.
Oh, the mosquitoes are bad, boy.
Well, on the other side of the island, the creek's a little bit deeper, but you see this island right here? It's so where the land's a little bit higher. You would think they'd be roosted in there, fly down, walk across. I don't know if that hen walked across this little creek right here and came in and roosted up, but we're gonna find out for sure.
We're gonna find something out. I'm gonna find out if my waders have a hole or not.
Same here. Scratch at the bottom of the tree right here. Should be turkey scratchings all through here, it looks like. A little bit older, but they're in here. You know what I mean? They're using them.
There you go, Matt.
Where we at? So right here, we need to get right here on this road. Try to get right there. It looks like it might connect somewhat right there. A little bit shallower spot, at least.
All right.
Trust me, I ain't gonna put us in no stupid situation.
I don't know. I've heard about them Florida boys. Y'all pretty wild down there. Yeah, Ron. Bring your chest waders. Do what?
Looks like the road right there, don't it? Where it's a little bit open.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like it. Let's see what. You waiting on me?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Come on, you got it.
Unstable. Let's try down there. I do know of one spot where we can cross, but it's back that way.
These freaking chest waders are insulated as a mother.
That's where we came in. It was right there. So the road's down there. Let's try to find a place where we can cross. Cause it's gonna be our best shot at him. Found you a boat. See it? It's a nice one, ain't it?
Mint condition.
Get across the creek condition.
The freaking spiders, man. This place is tore up. Oh, look at that. Someone been eating good.
Horrible.
That's the NWTF calling finalist right there. Yeah, let's get closer.
That sucked. I feel the sweat dripping on the back when you're walking.
Oh yeah, I can feel it too. Freaking insulated waders in the springtime. Well, no gobbles today. As soon as we got set up, it started raining. The rain picked up and got a little heavier, so we were starting to head back. And then, of course, we get halfway there and the rain stops. Grab that gator, bro. Get him.
There's a little turtle.
Oh no.
I was just thinking too, I need to watch out for that pole.
The only pole for 100 yards in either direction. Dang it. Waiting for that gobble, baby. So we're just waiting for that gobble. Yeah. Right here. How far is the creek that way? So this road, it goes about 200 yards. This property is perfect for turkey hunting. The way you have it laid out, you can just really access roads without making any noise. Madison bow range is there. The deer is there. You never told me you had pen raised deer out here. You walked within 10 yards of that sucker.
I know.
I was like, you just walked up within bow range. That's insane.
So, you ready? You ready to go kill one?
Let's go kill one. Let's go kill one. Hey, that's the fence line right there. He literally just stuck the decoys out. I was sitting down getting my camera set up, and Matt said, 2 gobblers, 2 gobblers. I barely even had time to turn the camera on. I had this one right here. I had my red dot on him, but I was waiting for the second one to come in so we could double up. Eventually Matt just shot him because that second one never came in. We were hoping he'd come in and try to attack this one, but man, it just happened so fast. My adrenaline's just through the roof, baby. Let's go. We got one.
Was that 5 minutes?
Not, dude, I was still setting up. I didn't even get my camera set up.
Right.
Dude, they
See
came
that
running.
redhead? I see 2 of them.
They came running down the hill.
Ran.
Hey, don't sleep on the midday hunts, boy.
That's right. Damn, I was hoping you'd get the other one.
I know.
He did walk.
I had my red dot on him perfect, and he was just standing there. I was like, man, this is the perfect shot. Yeah, I was like, there's no way I'm going to take a shot at him if there's 2 of them.
Did you see the other one though?
Yeah, I saw 2 heads running down the road. Like I said, it came so fast. I was like,
you were setting up.
I was
seen a
trying to
red
just
head.
get a camera on, get something going. God, that was insane. And we just walked in from that way like 2 minutes ago. That's a big old time right there, son.
It is a big time.
That's a big one. What we tell him, Bo?
Oh,
Nope. Joker came in hot.
Was that the fastest one you've ever seen in your life?
I was not expecting them to come in that
I seen
fast.
2 heads. I was like, oh, Ryan. And then like they were so concentrated on the decoys, they didn't even care about us. And I was just purring.
Man. Got it done, son.
I'm kind of pissed because I was on that other one for you.
Oh, it's all good.
I was waiting for him to come and come. He was right behind him,
Oh, I know.
running with him.
I saw 2 heads full speed
So we're
coming
about
down
to
that
double
road.
up. Now we're going to put you on one over here. See if we can raise a toast after this hunt.
Oh, come on, baby. Man, we were so close to doubling up, too. Alright, we're about to go in for the final hunt of the evening. One thing I learned today is always be ready when you're in the woods. Those birds ran up on us so fast I didn't have a mask on, didn't have my gloves on. So now, every time I'm in the woods with a tag in my pocket, I'm ready to go. Alright, time to get serious. Let's get him, baby. What? Let's get him.
Let's get him. this again. But normally, you'll hear where they're roosted at when you do an owl hoot at the end of the evening hunt.
Decoys right there. Empty. Well, that's a wrap on the no walking turkey tour. They whipped me, but Matt got one. They've been quiet, huh?
Too quiet.
Freaking buttholes, man. Butthole turkeys. We've seen some hens, but no gobblers.
Guess I'm ready to get home and take a ass chewing.
Oh yeah.
You ready to try?
I appreciate you watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing a giveaway at 500 and 1,000 subscribers. I'll see y'all in the next one.